Whoa, who wants to learn how to do some skill checks, eh? So yeah, okay. So let's start here. We've got our object that we want stuff to be activated based on, and we have our message. And so this message, it shows the door's jammed, right? And we got the options. We can kick down the door if we have strength greater than or equal to 8. I hope that I did that right. Or we can jimmy it open if we have a tire iron, 1 or more. Or we can leave it be. So that's pretty straightforward. So then, what I got here is I got Papyrus Script Manager. We're going to snag one of my scripts that I have used in the past for similar things. Uh-oh. Okay, so I got this script open now. This is what we need. I will leave a blank version in the description, I hope, if I remember to. What we need to do is we're gonna add a new script to this door. We're gonna add a new script to the door. Add the script, new script. And we're gonna call it CSEP homesick door script. Yeah, that's good enough. And cancel, and then we go edit source. There we are. Now we got this. Very simple. Let's just remove this function. Okay, this we don't need actually. Let me check out a different one. There we go. We have on event. Yep. Okay, so this is easier to use. This is actually what we want. I will leave the script we're making right now in the place for us, in the description for you, because you're cool and I like you. Anyways, now we have here, we want to message properly. Let's do door message. That's what we'll call that, and we have to insert this here. And so if you remember correctly, we're gonna have this set stage 20, by the way. What do I call this one? Homesick. HS for homesick. That's the mod we're working on right now. We're gonna do more stuff with homesick. I'm gonna show you more process of going with this. Okay, so if you remember, our first thing on here, our first box here, index 0, if button equals 0, so that's 0. Then we have the kick down the door, which only appears if we have strength. So we do with your immense strength, you bust down the door. And okay, so now we also have jimmy the door open. Using the flat end of the tire iron, you force the door open. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And now we save, and that should. We will remove this. If we check here, that's the relay repair one. We don't need. Okie doke. We need to look at the pillow investigate one. This is exactly why I'm big doofus. Okay, EndIf event. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And if okay, we want to grab. Okay, we'll grab all of this then. PlayerREF is undefined. Can I guess then to an object reference type string. Okay, well, I'm going to... Okay, so I forgot to change this property, and I needed to add the PlayerREF auto constant, and also the EndEvent. Yeah. This should all be good now. Now we have that set up, we need to go in here and edit the properties. Now we can do autofill all, and that will fill the PlayerREF, but it will not fill the quest, and I have not made the quest yet, so we will do that quick. Door message, that will find the door message, which is this one, this guy here. And I will go over and make our quest, which is pretty simple. I've shown you how to do it before. You can just label it pretty simply. We're going to call it 00 YOURMSG Q1, quest name 1, that's just the temp name. We're not going to have it start game enabled. We have the quest stages. We have 10 and 20. That's all we need right now. We're going to say this one tells the player to investigate the store. Breaks down door. Very simple. Now we have that, and we're gonna OK out of there, and we're gonna reopen it up. Now we need to get add property object reference door. You can't name it door because it conflicts, so just name it something stupid. Dir works. We just do dir.disable. Oop. Now we can set up our objectives quick, which will be 10 investigate the store, 20 investigate the manager's office. Pretty simple. We will have a quest marker to tell people to look at that door, because they probably won't if there isn't one and people are real stupid. So we will call this door, and we can do a lot of hitting those normally helps the quest not fucking die. So we'll have that door. Now we have set objective displayed 10, copy. Objective displayed 20. Completed. Now, the issue we're going to have is when we start the game, this quest won't be active. So we need to set up an extra thing for that. Hopefully it says here. Yeah, there we go. We're going to add quest to there. Okay, and now we can go over here and we're going to use a set stage marker. Actually, it's just called a stage marker. It's an activator. It's an activator. You're not stupid. Default set stage trigger player only. This is the best one. We will enable markers, so you can see what's going on here. We will make a well, it's being, markers are fucking weird. They don't play well. That's good enough for me. We're gonna extend it forwards because sometimes people get pushed by their companions. Okay, and now we set this up. We change the default script here, and that will read the quest 1, and that will set 10. Oh, and the rest of this is useful sometimes. We have it set up so it only triggers in the player box strip, which is good. it is normally you just do it with the players, but if you want like an NPC to walk somewhere, and then when they're done walking, it sets a stage, you do it by it only reading them. Okay. Now, hopefully that should be everything, unless I'm big stoopy. And I'll see you in game in the video game. You excited? We're gonna play video games. Oh, okay. So real quick, I needed to snag that, put that in there, and also hit optional because the quest wasn't working, and I'm a dumbass. Generally, if you have issues with quests, it's Alias' fault. Okay. There we go. Investigate the store. I forgot to set up this door to use a key I placed down, which I will do. But, as we can see, this door is jammed, leave it be. So we can either find a tool to open it, also I'm pretty proud of that, or we can artificially raise our strength. Special and perks. Specials, strength, says strength to 10. Now this should work, and should have us kick down the door. Your immense strength, you bust down the door. Yeah, we did it. Look at there. Now we can investigate the manager's office. Look at that. We got it to work, everybody. We did a skill check. There's a thing there that I gotta fix. Also, that's not very happy. So many bullets. Anyways, I will leave the script in the description. And any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to help you. I know making a quest mod is confusing. I know making a quest mod is hard, but I believe in you, and you can do it. Wow. There we go. There's also a story here. Look, visual storytelling. Wow, people died. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. More tutorials on the way as I work on this mod. I'm just thinking, hey, this mod, perfect place for me to show off a bunch of stuff for people to learn. So thanks for watching. See you later. I'm not releasing this gun anytime soon.